Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my Traxxas Maxx monster truck out with me. We're going to bash this thing for the very first time with the brand new Hobbywing Max 6 I installed. So if you missed the most recent running video with this machine, I was running the Spectrum Firma 150 MPSC, and unfortunately that one started on fire. I'll put a card in the corner if you want to check that out. I think a combination of running it in sand, in pretty warm weather, combined with running 3.8-inch paddles, just put too much strain on that ESC, and the ESC started on fire. It was an absolute disaster, but fortunately enough, I was able to save the truck, so the truck didn't burn up. But yeah, today is going to be the very first test with the Hobbywing Max 6 I installed. Now, I was debating, wasn't sure if I wanted to go with a Hobbywing Max 6 or a Hobbywing Max 8. In the end, I found this one for a good deal, and it already had a XT90 plug soldered on, so that's why I went with the Max 6. So this is like a 1/6 scale ESC in a 1/10 scale size truck. Also, I swapped out the Spectrum Firma 2050 kV motor, and I put the Traxxas Maxx motor back in. So this is the 2400 kV. Mainly just because I wanted to put the heatsink and the fan back on, and also because these bullet connectors plug right in to the ESC, unlike the Spectrum motor, which had 4mm, so I would have needed to solder on new bullets, or I would have needed an adapter. But I got this in. Also, I had to do a little repair because the wire was broken right here on the fan, so I got the fan working. Technically, this ESC right here, guys, is actually 8S capable, but we're not running on 8S because I don't think the Traxxas Maxx motor can handle that. But here is the battery we're going to be running right here. I just bought this pack. It's a 5200 milliamp, 100C discharge rate, 6-cell pack, HRB pack with the XT90 plug. I got some ramps set up, and I'm sure this thing's going to absolutely fly. So let me install the battery and we'll get started ripping. Launch. All right, let's hop on the road real quick, do some flybys. All right, let's bring her by for a flyby. I kid you not, guys, that's only about a third throttle. And it wants to lift up. Let's bring her back. Launch. Alright, I don't want to waste too much battery on the road. Let's get down here and do some jumps with this thing. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to show your support by hitting that like button. Also subscribe and hit that bell if you haven't already. That was nearly a double. Like if I would have landed that, that would have been a double. That was bad. The body came off. My poor Traxxas Maxx body. Alright, we're good to keep on going. Let's go for a double. Landed it. That was a double. I just reviewed the video of that, guys. Unfortunately, that double that I just landed, I didn't get it fully within the frame because I'm standing too close. So we're gonna have to do it again. Let me stay back here. Alright. Uh-oh. What just happened? Okay, battery moved. Oh, I see what happened, guys. The motor wire came unplugged. I was scared there for a second because it sounded like something was shuddering, like what happened with my Spectrum ESC, and then it started on fire, but I think we're good. I think the battery basically came out, and then it, in the process, unplugged this bullet connector right there. Get it plugged back in, keep on going. Ooh, guys, another issue I just noticed, and this is going to be a problem. That strap is almost broken all the way through. That's the issue. That's why I did not want to go with a strap, because I figured something like this could happen. So this is probably going to break during this run. That strap is about no, more than that. It's about 3/4 of the way broken, and it's going to break during this run. And then I don't think I have any other straps with me. So once this thing breaks, guys, and that's, you know, that's very common. It's right where all that tension is, where it's going around the metal piece. Maybe I'll keep it a little bit looser. All right, let's go for that double. Landed it! Gotta put that on slow-mo. I hope I got it within the frame this time. Let's just go for some air this time. We're not gonna go for any flips. That wasn't that big of air. Body came off, battery came out, and I wouldn't be a bit surprised the battery probably came out because that Velcro probably broke. And if that's the case, we're going to be done because I don't have any other straps with me. And my phone keeps on blurring. It keeps on losing focus. I apologize. Yep, sure enough, that's exactly what happened, guys. The strap broke. That was kind of expected to happen. I guess on the plus side, the ESC never started on fire. Adhesive still holding. Fan still working on the motor. So overall, could have gone worse. Definitely could have gone worse. Notice we have a slit in our tire as well. So yeah, these tires are probably one of the worst issue I've encountered running on 6S is the tires. Tires balloon up way too much in the grass especially. And then this one probably just blew somewhat open during this run. And it just can't get the power down once they balloon up. I don't know, like this wasn't that thick of a strap, but this is also a longer strap than what I probably have at home, so I don't know how I'm gonna replace this. I'm gonna need something though. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Later.